Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Today's video, guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, and if you're guys trying to find the wrap relay, this is the Retained Accessories Power, guys, relay. Stay with us, we'll show you where it's located. This is the relay that once you turn the ignition off, and you turn the ignition off, guys, you still have power to some accessories in the car, let's say radio or other things like that. Now that relay, guys, is a little bit hidden and we'll show you where it's located. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, guys. It will mean a lot to us so we can improve and know what you like and what you don't. So this is, guys, a Chevy Cruze, and as you know, most of the fuses and relays are in that fuse box right here. It doesn't matter which engine you have, guys, 1.4, 1.8, 1.6 diesels, the procedure will be the same. So the wrap relay, guys, is actually located inside the vehicle, next to the steering wheel, coming down a little bit. This cover, let me turn the light down a little bit so you can see better. We need to turn it, to pull it out. Now, these guys right here, this is where your fuses are located. Now, you guys actually, let me adjust the light a little bit. From that point on, guys, we have 3 relay slots here on top, but how you get to it? You can see now, right here there is one tooth, you press it this way, and there is one tooth that you press it that way. So both of them squish and pull down. So you go like that on the teeth and you pull down. And you pull it until the relays come out. Now we need to open that cover. Guys, and here you have 3 relays. One is for the trunk, one is the logistics relay, we don't have this one, and this is the called the wrap relay, guys, right there. So how we, guys, remove that thing? I usually get pliers. And pull it out. Now this is, guys, the relay out of the car. This is the Retained Accessory Power relay. That's how you guys remove it. In the description of the video below, guys, you will be able to find the replacement relay, where we buy them and all that stuff. All that will be listed there. When you're ready to put it together, you need to install the relay, close the little bitty cover, push the fuse box until it locks in place, and pretty much these guys will be the whole procedure. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure out that problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.
Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.